locations for doing bird photography, Katana wetlands. And I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to get pictures of birds in flight. Are you ready? Let's get started. So my first tip of bird photography is to always have the sun behind you when you are shooting. The reason for this is that having the sun behind you gets the sun on the bird's face and wings as it's flying towards you. If the sun is in another position, then you would just end up with unsightly shadows on the bird's face and under its wings, which is not ideal. My next tip is to have the background far away. So this is why we've come here to Katana wetlands today, because we can shoot across a lake and the trees on the other side are far away, which means that they're going to be out of focus when I'm taking pictures of the birds, which is ideal for getting pictures of birds so you don't have distractions of trees or leaves or branches that they might be blending into. Alright, so the next tip is to have your camera on continuous shooting for the focus mode. The reason for using continuous focus mode is so that the bird stays in focus as it flies through the shot. If the bird is flying closer to you, the camera will continue to focus on the bird as it gets closer, rather than just sticking to one focal distance. In terms of exposure, you want to be using manual settings, and you want to have your shutter speed on about 1/2500 or faster. For your F number, you want it to be on around F8, so that you get the bird in focus, but you still get that blurry background as well. Then just use your light meter to set the appropriate ISO for the lighting situations that you are in. Now, when you're hand-holding your camera to take photos, you want to make sure that you have your right hand holding the body of the camera with your finger ready to go over the shutter button, and then your left hand have it as far down the lens as you can without actually putting your finger on the glass of the lens. Then make sure you have your elbows in, your legs want to be out wide to hold the camera steady, and rest your eye up against the viewfinder as well. Then follow the bird across the sky as it's going, so you're panning with the bird as you're taking the picture. Now you want to have your camera on continuous shooting mode, so that when you press the shutter button down, it takes a series of photos as you're panning across the scene with the bird. This allows you to get multiple shots of the bird in different positions, so not every picture will be perfect, but you're likely to get a good picture with the bird where its wings are not in front of the face or it's not causing harsh shadows across the bird's body. If you're using a tripod and a long lens like this one here, you want to make sure that you have the foot of your lens attached to the tripod to make sure that the balance is centered on the camera. Then when you're shooting, again, you want to be panning with the camera, so make sure that the tripod is slightly loose so that you can actually just move it around as you're taking the shot and follow the bird. The reason for using a tripod is so that you don't have to be holding the heavy camera and lens and trying to hold it steady as you're taking the picture. Right, so that is it for this video. I hope that you have found these tips useful. Please let me know in the comments and share some of your photos about how using these tips has helped you. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more tips on wildlife photography. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.